Had some freezing rain coming in, a little bit of snow on the ground. Nothing too terrible. I think it's going to be a little gusty, but down at the creek I should be pretty protected. Brought along the 9'5" 5" weight and hoping to catch a few trout today. These rocks are covered in a nice fine sheet of ice. Not seeing any trout activity yet, but they're in here. Got the first fish of the day on here. Rainbow trout. Looks like it ate the egg pattern. It's a pretty nice trout too. That is a nice rainbow for this river. Living right underneath this run where these two parts of the stream come together. All right. Thanks, buddy. Well, I froze my butt off out here today. Managed to land one nice rainbow. Temperature's dropping though. It's time to call it a day.